Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Friday 21st August 2020 and as you know that we have started our revision and reinforcement because we are going to conduct our online first term examination in the first week of September. And in this regard, yesterday we have practiced our synonyms and the topic of synonyms and homophones in the worksheet, and you were given to practice this one worksheet as home practice. आपको ये home practice मिली थी, synonyms आपने ये practice learn करने थे, practice करने थे, and along with this one homophones. So I'm sure आप सब ने ये worksheet practice की होगी. अपनी home practice में आपने इसको with excuse me with correct spellings के साथ practice किया होगा. Alright, now let's move towards today's topic of revision. Excuse me. Today we are going to revise adverbs, and we did that on workbook page number. Alright, workbook page number 19. This was the story of Anansi and Five. This story was about Anansi, and Anansi was a trickster. Actually, this was an African folk tale character, and which was very famous. और इस पे अनंसी पे एक्चुअली बहुत सारी स्टोरीज़ बनाई गई हैं, एंड बेसिकली अनंसी इज़ अ सॉर्ट ऑफ कैरेक्टर जो समटाइम्स एक स्पाइडर की तरह बन जाता है, कभी एनिमल्स की तरह बन जाता है. और इस स्टोरी में हमने एडवर्ब्स को प्रैक्टिस किया था. सो व्हाट आर द एडवर्ब्स? लेट्स रिकॉल एडवर्ब्स फर्स्ट. एडवर्ब्स आर बेसिकली the words which tell us more about verbs, alright, and they modifies verb. वो words जो हमें बताते हैं verb के बारे में, how the action has been performed, वो किस तरह से हुआ, उन words को adverb कहते हैं. And how do we form adverbs, and how do we identify those adverbs? Actually, adverbs are formed by adding "ly" at the end of the adjective, and for this one let's take a look at this workbook page number 19. Adverb is a word that tells us something more about an action. Adverbs describe how actions are done. We did this lesson on 15th July 2020, Wednesday, and then we highlighted some of the example: quick, quickly, happy, happily, true, truly. अब now इसमें से आप can बता सकते हैं, can you tell me that which one is the adjective and which one is the adverb? Yes, adverb can be formed from adjectives. Quick is the adjective. Adjectives tells us more about a noun, and adverbs, you see, adverb. If we exclude add, so what is the remaining part? Verb. So adverbs means the verbs which add to the verbs. Adverbs are the words which tell us more about verbs. Quickly, happily, truly. You see, we have highlighted adverbs here. And now let's take more examples. Lucky. Now form adverbs from these adjectives: lucky, luckily, shaky, shakily, noisy, noisily, noisy, noisily, proud, proudly, equal, equally, successful, successfully. And then turn the next page please. Joking, jokingly, brisk, briskly. Brisk means something when you do hurriedly, quickly. Loud, loudly, able, ably, faint, faintly. There is a slight change in the spelling as well, so make sure कि आप इसको जब practice करें you write accurate spellings. Gentle, gently, careful, carefully, mad, madly, nimble, right, nimbly, brave, bravely. And nimble means to be able to think and understand quickly, right? So that's how we have formed adverbs from these adjectives. Now let's practice these in the worksheet. Alright, so this is the worksheet and we are going to revise adverbs. So after learning this from your workbook, आपने इसको worksheet पे practice करना है, right? You have to complete this one worksheet. Form adverbs from these adjectives: equal, proud, mad, noise, lucky, brisk. Alright children, after learning from the workbook, आपने workbook पे इसको learn and revise करने के बाद आपने ये worksheet पे इसको complete करना है. So this is your home practice. आप ये देख रहे हैं, ये blanks हैं और आप इसको यहाँ पे इसके साथ write करेंगे. Alright, now afterwards we are going to revise our story, Anansi and Five. Alright, for this one I would like you to take out your textbook. Alright children, textbook page number 26, right? You remember this one story, Anansi and 5. Anansi has tricked some of the characters in the story like Mrs. Rabbit, Mr. Duck, and the characters which were not fooled by Anansi were Mrs. Shrew and Miss Frog, right? Anansi के पास इसमें एक spell आ गया था जिससे वो क्या करता था 1, 2, 3 and 5. जो number 5 कहता था suddenly that person disappeared, और फिर उसका रिमेनिंग जो फूड और डिलिशियस डेलिकेसीज थी वो एनएनसी को मिल जाती थी. सो मिसेस शी वॉज वेरी स्मार्ट, उसने नंबर 5 नहीं कहा एंड इवेंचुअली द एनएनसी गॉट वेरी फ्यूरियस और उसने खुद ही नंबर 5 कह दिया और वो खुद ही डिसअपियर हो गया. ऑलराइट, दिस वन स्टोरी वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. आई रियली एंजॉयड दैट. आई एम श्योर आपने भी बहुत एंजॉय किया होगा. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू revise the filling the blanks of this one story. You have to fill up the blanks with suitable words from the story. All right, so these are the words, these are the statements from the story और आपने इसको fill up करना है. Right, कैसे fill up करना है? Nancy was a trickster and he was having a dash time. Alright children, अगर आपने story carefully attentively study की है तो आपने ये इसको fill up करने में आपको कोई problem नहीं होनी चाहिए. The helping words are given to you, right? And Nancy was a trickster and he was having a dash time. And Nancy dashed through a gap in the witch's house. He imagined that delicious foods he would find. A scurry sound pulled Anansi from his daydream. She walked to the nearest mound and stood on it. Who? Mrs. Shrew, right. Anansi dashed and showed all his sharp teeth. Anansi grinned and showed all his sharp teeth. Alright children, आपने इसको revise करना है story को और after that आपने इसको worksheet पे complete करना है. And how would you do that? Alright, you are given with helping verbs grinned, peaked, delicious, nearest, difficult, scurry. Alright, so that's how you will choose the suitable word, right, from these options. और आप इसको A, B, C, D, आपके पास यहाँ पे D statements हैं जहाँ पे जो verb suitable है word आप उसको वहाँ पे fill करेंगे. Alright, this one worksheet is to be practiced by you at home. आपने ये worksheet after revising adverbs और fill in the blanks from the suitable blanks with the suitable words from the story, आपने ये पहले learn करना है, revise करना है, and after that you will practice this one worksheet. This is your home practice, right? For 21st August Friday आपका ये home practice है. Alright, that's how you will practice this one worksheet. Alright, this is the diary that you have to revise synonyms. Sorry, you have to revise these adverbs and adverbs along with this one verbs from the story. Alright, so today's diary is that you have to revise adverbs, workbook page number 19, and learn and practice the worksheet. आपने इसको complete करना है and after that आपने इसको practice करना है. Alright, thank you very much. I'll see you in the next week. Allah Hafiz.